is Eric from ericsoils.com. I wanted to talk today about the car I'm driving in. It's the 2004 Lincoln Town Car that I own. I have gone 579,000 miles with this car on the same engine and same transmission. No rebuilds. How did I do that? AMSOIL. I became a dealer for AMSOIL just a few years ago, but I've been using AMSOIL since I raced cars back in the early 2000s. When I started my limousine service back in 2007, I switched over to AMSOIL products immediately, as soon as I bought the car. And I had 26,000 miles on the car when I bought it. From that point on, I changed the oil every 30,000 miles. That's right, every 30,000 miles. I changed the oil filter every 10,000 as a precaution. And I changed the transmission fluid every 50,000 under partial drain. I changed the transmission filter along with that. And I've gone 579,000 miles doing that. Unbelievable products. I would go on to ericsoils.com and check out the products for your car. Go to the vehicle selection, select your vehicle, and find out what is available. They have a wide variety of products for your vehicle, and I would suggest purchasing those products from ericsoils.com. I think you'll be most impressed.